53 years. That is how long humanity waited to send humans back toward the moon. Then, April 1st, 2026, 4 astronauts changed that forever. This is the complete story of Artemis II. Commander Reid Wiseman, Navy test pilot, 165 days on the ISS. Pilot Victor Glover, the first person of color ever to travel beyond Earth's orbit. Mission specialist Christina Koch, the first woman beyond Earth's orbit, with a record 328 days in space. And Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen, the first non-American to fly to the moon. 1 mission, 4 history books. At 6:35 p.m. Eastern, the Space Launch System, generating 8.8 million pounds of thrust, lifted off from Kennedy Space Center. 8 minutes later, Orion was in space. The crew named their spacecraft Integrity, and it lived up to the name. On April 6th, the Artemis II crew broke the all-time human spaceflight distance record, traveling 252,756 miles from Earth. That surpassed the Apollo 13 record that had stood for 56 years. 4 humans were now farther from home than any person in all of history. Orion swooped to just 4,067 miles above the lunar surface, flying around the far side at over 60,000 miles per hour. For 40 minutes, the moon blocked all signals to Earth. Complete silence. The crew captured over 7,000 images of the moon and witnessed both a solar eclipse and Earthrise from deep space. Coming home meant surviving 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit and traveling at 30 times the speed of sound. At 5:07 p.m. Pacific Time, Orion splashed down off San Diego. Commander Wiseman's first words: "We are stable." 4 green crew members. Mission control erupted. Humanity was back. Even before Artemis II splashed down, teams were already building the next rocket. Artemis III, targeted for 2027, will be the first crewed moon landing since 1972. The South Pole, new terrain, new science, and NASA's goal, 1 Artemis mission per year, all the way to Mars. That was Artemis II, the mission that brought humanity back to the moon. 4 firsts, 1 record, 10 days. If you learned something today, subscribe to 8 Fact HD for more fact-based breakdowns on the biggest events shaping our world.